I'm Lars from Airhawk. Today we are at the BMW dealership and we're fitting the new 1600B with a few different models that we came out with. Right now we've got the factory seat, which is not a bad looking seat, a low profile, not much back support, and we're gonna mix it up a little bit and try some new things on it. So hang on tight and take a look at what we're doing. Fitting our new standard seat with Airhawk. It has a spacer mesh material with the Airhawk bladders in it on the front portion. Standard height. We also have one that puts you down another 1.5 inches. You're going to notice there's better leg passage up here, a little more back support. The distance is about the same, the height is about the same, but you're going to have a lot more features as far as comfort with the air bladder inside and the better leg passage. The rear passenger section is going to be about the same, but then again, also has a spacer mesh material on it back here. I can really feel that back support compared to the stock seat. Height is about the same, leg passage is really excellent. I like how this feels on this bike. Now we're fitting on our new Tourer for the 1600B. This one's cut about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches lower than the stock seat to get you down into the bike a little more. A lot more back support. You're going to notice this. It has about 7 inches of back support back here. It has the adjustable backrest in this also, along with the backrest for the passenger. This backrest for the passenger also moves forward and back about 1.5 inches to give her more room or tighter, whatever she'd like. It also goes up and down several inches. A lot of adjustability in the seat. It has the Airhawk bladders not only in the front, but it also has it in the back. I particularly like this one at 5'11". I like this seat a lot. I like the flat-footedness. I like being tucked behind the screen of the bike. Everything about this seat I happen to like a lot. Very comfortable for my passenger as well. This is definitely made for some long touring.